it's Layla at Liveys and Owl Crafts. Today I'm going to teach you how to make earrings. However, I'm not going to teach you how to make stud earrings like these, but I am going to be teaching you how to make dangly earrings like these. The first kind of earring I'm going to teach you to make are the charm earrings. These are the easiest kind of earrings to make, and they also require the least supplies. To make your charm earrings, you're going to need a pair of pliers, like these, a pair of charms, like these, and a pair of ear hooks, like these. There's a whole bunch of different types of ear hooks and charms. You can get whichever kinds you want, but just one thing to keep in mind is some ear hooks have a little loop at the bottom. These are the kind you want. You don't want the kind that you want to make sure the loop is fully closed. You don't want the kind that have a little loop with the ball at the end that isn't fully closed, because I've used those before and my charms have just fallen right off. Another thing you want to keep in mind with the charms is make sure that they have little loops or jump rings at the top, because otherwise there's no way to secure them to your ear hooks. So first, you're going to take your pliers, take your ear hook, and pinch the front of the ear hook, opening it like that. It should look like this now, slightly open. You're going to take your charm, put it right there on top of your ear hook, and then pinch that and close like that. Now you've got an earring. Okay, I'll show you this one more time just to make sure you fully understand. Pinch the front of the ear hook, open it, put the bead on, put the charm on, and close the loop, making sure the ball is not in the way, because that can cause problems and make it so that you can't close the loop. Now you've made a pair of charm earrings. Okay, so the second kind of earring I'm going to teach you to make is the beaded earring. The beaded earrings are slightly harder to make, but they're still quite easy, a lot easier than you'd think it was to make earrings. They look like this. What you're going to need to make your beaded earrings are some sort of beads of your choice. Any kind of bead will do, but as long as they have a hole big enough to fit the size of the wire you're going to use, which I'll get to in a minute. Now, once you've got your beads, like these, and your pliers right there, like those, you're also going to need a head pin, or two head pins actually, because you're going to make two earrings. There's a lot of different colors and kinds of head pins. There's bronze, silver, gold. Just one thing to keep in mind when you're shopping for your head pins is you want head pins, and you do not want to get that confused with eye pins. Head pins have a little circle at the top. Eye pins have a loop at the top. Now, once you've got those, you're going to need your ear hooks. Once you have your ear hooks, you can start making your earrings. First, arranging the beads in the pattern you like, put them right on top of the head pin. Just like this. Now, once you finish that, you're going to take your pliers, pinch the top of the head pin, and fold it over into a loop shape. Ta-da! Now make sure that loop is fully closed. You don't want to have a little spot right there, like that, because if you do, your ear hook can escape and the beads will fall right off. Now, once you've done that, again, pinch the front of the ear hook, pull it open, and slip the loop right there. Pinching the ear hook, you're going to close the loop, and ta-da, you've got a beaded earring. Now, one more time, open it up. Put the beads on the head pin. Now you're going to pinch in the top, make a loop, and now you're going to open the ear hook. Of course, don't forget, make sure the loop is all the way closed before you put it on the ear hook, because if it isn't, it could fall right off, and you don't want your beautiful earrings to fall right off. Now, you might want to make sure your earrings are even, because it's very easy to make uneven earrings, and no one likes uneven earrings. So, sometimes you'll have to redo it a couple of times to make sure it's just right, the way you want it. Now, once you finish that, you're going to take your open ear hook. Be careful, you don't want to lose the ball of your ear hook. That will just cause unnecessary problems. Now, it's a little tricky sometimes, but you're going to slip the loop on top and close the loop. Now you've made a pair of beaded earrings. Now, the third and final type of earrings we're going to make are the beaded loop earrings. These are the hardest kind of earrings to make, but I'm sure once you practice a little bit, you can get them, well, in no time. For these, you're going to need eye pins. Remember, I mentioned these last time. You don't want head pins this time, but this time you want the eye pins. The ones with a little loop at the top instead of a circle, like this. You're also going to want your ear hooks and your pliers. And then you're going to want seed beads. Now be careful, you don't want to get other beads, because you don't want to have giant beads like these on your beautiful little loops. I recommend 9 seed beads per earring if you're going to make them this size. Now, you may want to make bigger ones or smaller ones, so you can toy with the amount of seed beads you use. Once you have all your supplies together, you're going to put your seed beads on the hook, on the pin with the hook, the eye pin. You want to have any patterns or anything, you can do that, but just putting them on the way you want them. Now, once you finish that, you're going to pinch the top of the eye pin and fold it into a loop shape. This is really hard to do. I'm not very good at it, and I've been making earrings for more than a year, so it might be really hard for you at first, but you can just try and make your loop. You can toy with the shape of it, do what you like, and then once you have that, make sure the end of the eye pin is over past the edge of the loop like this. Now you're going to fold it over the other side of the loop like this. Once you finish that, you've got your bead, and you're over with the hardest part. Now, you're going to, again, open up your ear hook, slip the loop on top, and close it. Once you finish this, you should have an earring. Now, I'm just going to do that one more time. Put the beads on the eye pen. Remember, I recommend 9 if you're making them the size that I am. And make sure you've got your pliers because you're going to need them next. Now, once you finish putting the last bead on, you're going to take the pliers, pinch the top, and make a loop. After this, twisting the edge of the eye pen around the loop at the top. You should have a bead like this. And now finally, I'm going to open that little loop, put the bead on, and finally, lastly, close the loop. And ta-da! Now you've made a pair of beaded loop earrings. Now hopefully you know how to make earrings like those, and you can make them all the time. It's a really fun craft for me, and I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.